Good morning, this is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. In the US, indices remained relatively flat at the close of last week, with the US Tech 100 adding 2 points to close on 4,808.88. The US 500 dropped 1 point to close on 2,185.63, and the Wall Street declined 48 points to close on 18,575. This week is seeing investors look into the retail sector, with off-price retail companies such as TJX Companies and Ross Stores set to report earnings this week with big expectations. These companies will be followed up the following week by L Brands, Gap, and Urban Outfitters. In the US elections, latest reports coming from Quinnipiac put Hillary Clinton well ahead of Trump in winning Pennsylvania's vote, just 2 months after he held the lead by 2 points. Pennsylvania is one of the key states for Trump as it is a swing state. Likewise, he needs to be doing better in Virginia and Wisconsin should he have a chance of winning this year's presidential election. In the commodities sector, gold and silver miners are increasingly looking to raise or resume dividend payments, highlighting the renewed confidence in the sector driven by this year's rise in precious metal prices. Gold and silver have been among the best performing metals during 2016, powering a sharp rally in stock prices and helping miners to ease concerns over their finances. Since the start of the year, gold has risen 27%, while silver is up 46%. In recent days, large gold miners, including Newmount Mining and Randgold Resources, have talked up the prospect of higher shareholder payouts because of their improving balance sheets. Centamin, the UK miner of Egyptian gold, last week more than doubled its interim dividend. Underscoring the improved confidence, Newcrest Mining, the largest Australian gold miner, on Monday announced its first dividend payment for more than 3 years. Gold on Friday dropped value, however, losing $3 to close on $1,336.30, while Brent crude has continued its rise, adding $1.22 on Friday to close on $47.18 a barrel. In Europe, things are still looking bleak for the sterling, with GBP USD dropping under the $1.30 mark. However, mining and finance sector stocks are performing strongly, pushing the UK 100 higher. Despite a loss of 8 points on Friday, closing the week on 6,912. The Germany 30 is also continuing its rally this morning, pricing just under 10,800 when it closed on 10,712.5 on Friday. In today's corporate news, energy firms have been told to refund thousands of gas customers after a meter reading error, and shares in Santos, an oil and gas firm, have recovered after it said it would take a $105 billion write-down against its GLNG export project. In today's economic data in focus, at 8:15, Swiss producer and import prices for July were released, and at 3 o'clock in the US, NAHB Housing Market Index for August is released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you, and goodbye.